Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 7, leçon R. And I've been thinking that I could make maybe two videos, so it would be the first one regarding the verbs, okay? So just to give you quite many verbs, because at this level, at this stage, normally you should definitely try to learn as much or as many verbs as possible, and then vocabulary is the same, okay? So we will start right now. Avoir, posséder. Okay, so for each verb, okay, I will first put the direct translation of the verb and then maybe, one or two other verbs, okay? So it's really important to just keep in mind that the first one is the direct translation. Okay, so the first one that you should use in almost all the contexts, okay, but in some cases it's possible to use the other options depending on the context or the situation, okay, but then, so, avoir, posséder. Être, aller, s'en aller. Obtenir, recevoir, avoir. Pouvoir. Okay, one more time. Avoir, posséder, être, aller, s'en aller, obtenir, recevoir, avoir, pouvoir. Voir, regarder, venir, faire, fabriquer, savoir, connaître, prendre, saisir. So let's repeat them one more time. Voir, regarder, venir, faire, fabriquer, savoir, connaître. So for these two verbs, I've been making one video, okay, that you can find if you use the search engine in YouTube, okay, because, well, really they mean exactly the same thing, okay, but it's just a construction that you will have to modify if you use savoir and then connaître, okay. Prendre, saisir. Penser, réfléchir. Mettre, placer. Vouloir, avoir envie de, désirer. Dire, raconter. Dire, déclarer. Ok? Penser, réfléchir, mettre, placer, vouloir, avoir envie de, désirer, dire, raconter, dire, déclarer, donner, offrir. Aimer bien, aimer, apprécier, regarder, travailler, écrire, donner, offrir. Aimer bien, aimer, apprécier, regarder, travailler, écrire, trouver, retrouver, jouer, falloir, devoir, utiliser, courir, se précipiter, trouver, retrouver, jouer, falloir, devoir, utiliser, courir, se précipiter, apporter, amener, montrer, exposer, présenter, garder, retenir, conserver, aider, assister, épauler, placer, poster, mettre, apporter, amener, montrer, exposer, présenter, garder, retenir, conserver, aider, assister, épauler, placer, poster, mettre. So that's it for the first part of the verbs. Okay, so the next lesson will be exactly the same thing. I mean, the same thing, no, but the same concept, but other verbs. Okay, so the video can be found here. Okay, and then all the others as well, and the website is here. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.